Welcome to Best of Biology. Wondering how to plan and study smartly for NEET 2021? Well, I'm going to share with you a plan that will definitely give you results. Here are the things that you will find in this video. Firstly, we will plan our study schedule according to the time left. Next are prerequisites. That is, I will tell you some useful tasks that you need to do before you start following your study plan. Then we will see a timetable, that is a sample timetable that you can follow as it is. Next, I will be sharing the list of most important chapters of all three subjects with their approximate weightage according to previous years of NEET. And finally, we will know some do's and don'ts to get the results. So, let's get started with the creation of a study plan. The most important thing is to divide the syllabus according to the time left for the exam. To accomplish this, you can allot first 3 months, that is October to December, for completing 11th syllabus, next 3 months, that is January to March of 2021, for 12th syllabus. The second time slot will also help 12th grade students for their board exams, and final 3 months, that is April to May, for revision and mastery via practice questions. Study strategy is based on three approaches that are super important to crack NEET exam. First is concept building, that is, your concepts of every topic should be very clear. This can be done via coaching notes if you are doing a coaching, or you can clear your concepts from video lectures available on YouTube. Opt for short yet descriptive videos. Prepare notes simultaneously. Second approach is to focus on NCERT. Once you think that the concept is clear from video lecture, read the same topic thoroughly from NCERT. Try to understand each and every word of the topic from your NCERT book. Final approach is that you must practice a lot of questions, that is chapter wise mock test of the same topic that you have done from video lecture and NCERT book. This will help in checking your grasp on the topic and will prepare you with the variety of questions that are asked in NEET. The approaches will be same for 11th, 12th and final revision time with little changes in the final revision. During final months, if you are done with the most important topics of all three subjects, you can start with concept building of the left out chapters of 11th and 12th. Keep in mind to simultaneously revise the topics that you have completed in the previous months and finally do chapter wise mock test. You can keep your weekends free for revision of the previously done chapters. This is necessary, and do keep your focus on all three subjects. Now, here are some prerequisites that you will need to do before starting with the study plan. First, you need to create separate list of the most important topics of all three subjects. The list should be written in a way so as to follow the topics from them in sequence. I have also shared list of topics of all three subjects, most important topics with their maximum weightage according to previous years, so you can follow the list as it is. Secondly, prepare a day before the chapters, that is topics from the units, to be followed the next day. This will also help in appreciation task, that is, you will put a tick alongside the topic once you are done with it. Thirdly, keep separate notebooks for all three subjects and prepare clean and easy to use notes. I will suggest you to use a multicolored pen for notes preparation. That is, you can use different colored pens for highlighting the important concepts and terms. This helps in quick revision in the last few months of preparation. Next, if you are not taking a coaching, pre-decide which video channels to follow online before you start following the study plan. Choose short videos that do not waste your time yet are able to clear the concept for you. Lastly, you need to arrange chapter-wise mock test or practice questions from previous year NEET papers. You can use your coaching mock test, or if you are not using a coaching, many sites are there that offer chapter-wise practice questions, so search them and keep them handy before you start. Here you can see a routine timetable. This is a sample timetable that you can follow as it is, or you can modify it a little according to your suitability. I have made this timetable for a 12th grade student and I have kept in mind their school timings. If you are a dropper, you will have enough time and you can follow this timetable very effectively. I have also kept time for frequent breaks to avoid boredom and overload. So you can increase or decrease this time so as to make it suitable for you. Take screenshots of the sample timetable to follow. This is the continuation of the sample timetable that you can use. Here you can see a list of most important chapters of biology with their approximate weightage according to previous year exam. Take a screenshot to follow it as it is. Next is the most important topics of chemistry with their approximate weightage according to previous year NEET papers. Finally, the most important topics of physics with their approximate percentage. Now we will discuss some do's and don'ts. These include some really useful tips to crack your NEET exam. First, do's. You need to remember this always. Self-discipline is your key to success. You have to manage your time and you have to work hard for your dream. Secondly, stay flexible at the start of the study plan and gradually you can follow the plan strictly. Third, choose short video lectures that complete the topic approximately within 20 minutes so as not to waste your time, and prepare clean notes simultaneously. Next point is very important. To increase your capacity and to focus on your studies, do meditate and exercise. These are must for your inner strength and will definitely help you in magical ways. Last but not the least, do appreciate yourself each day by putting a tick alongside the topic that you have completed. Also, keep video lectures and mock tests ready beforehand. Now, some don'ts. Firstly, if you have lots of social media apps on your phone and you are scrolling them all day, stop this. They are not at all going to help you. I would suggest you to uninstall them or at least stop their notifications so as to cut the distraction. Secondly, if you are studying your favorite subject all day or throughout the week, you may lag behind in other subjects. Don't be partial, keep your focus on all three subjects. Lastly, if you worry and decide to drop the study plan, it will not help. Stay positive, be prepared to consistently follow the plan. Even if you are not able to finish a topic in a day, it may feel difficult to cover all three subjects in a single day. Still, try, be a little flexible at the start, gradually increase your time of studying. Utilize your breaks to meditate and play your favorite sports. This will also help you to be stress free and active. Some final words. See, I can only tell you how to plan and study, but it is you who has to do it. So take the action and transform your life. Remember to be a self-influencer. You are going to influence a million lives in near future. So good luck to you, future doctor.